This project car build was something very different for me. This is something I haven't had the opportunity to do in a really long time. My little brother asked me if I would help him turbocharge his Miata with my dad, and of course I said yes. This is a really cool build in my opinion. This is gonna be like a 2,000 pound car with perfect weight distribution, and it's probably gonna make like 250 horsepower with a turbo. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Of course that's something I wanna help bring into the world. However, what I did not anticipate was how much of a reminder it was gonna be about how much I actually enjoy working on project cars with other people. My friends that shared this passion that I have of project cars, they've long since moved away. I didn't realize how long it's been since I actually worked on cars with other people. I hadn't realized how long I've been building project cars alone. I had forgotten what it was like to have others in the shop with me working towards a common goal, and also how valuable that is. When you work by yourself, it's easy to get frustrated. In fact, that's kind of been a common theme of mine on the last few videos. I will be working on something and I'll get stuck and I'll get a little bit frustrated with the project. Now don't get me wrong, once I actually finish building the thing, I always take a step back and look at it, and it's always worth it in the end. But the difference though, is when I'm working with other like-minded individuals, I never get to that point of frustration. It actually just feels worth it the entire time, not just at the end. Working with others reignited a passion that had faded so slowly that I never realized it was gone. When problems arose, I didn't feel frustrated. I had extra helping hands when needed, progress was always being made, and if there was an unforeseen issue, there was multiple heads to put together in order to solve the problem at hand. Unforeseen issues transform themselves from moments of frustration into opportunities to solve a challenge. I had forgotten that the unexpected isn't a barrier. It's an opportunity for creativity and growth. Project delays were no longer lost opportunities, it was just more time spent with loved ones. That's a powerful change of perspective. My time left in my hometown is running out. Soon I'll join the rest of my friends and leave for greener pastures. However, this holiday season, I'm glad I took the opportunity to build a project car with my family. This will probably be the last time that I'm able to do this, and I'm glad for the opportunity. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I hope you find opportunities to involve your friends and family on your projects. Thank you for watching. Take this perfect excuse to spend time with others and get out there and build something. I hope to see you next time. All right, I just started recording. I'm gonna ask you a question if you don't mind. So you just got done putting these injectors together. What was it that you said when you put them together?
It's really nice to be able to build something.
I agree, that's why we do it.
Is that what I said?
That is what you said.
Okay.
It's nice to be in the garage and build something. I agree.